Hi, this is Mike from Mi-Cue's BBQ Team, and today I'm going to be working on some smoked stuffed peppers. Banana peppers are, cheap right now, so bought a bunch of them, and the Bears game's on in 3 hours, so I'm going to create something that's good for tailgating and something everybody enjoy. So, the first thing I did, I took some banana peppers and I cored them and removed the ends, and I basically seasoned them with basil oil, salt, pepper, and a little bit of Emerald's essence. I really like that flavor. It gives a nice heat and it's got some savoriness to it. So I also have two different types of pork. I have a hot pork breakfast sausage and a mild pork breakfast sausage. We're going to add a cup of onion, about a cup of onion, one large onion, about 4 cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of basil, half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, a teaspoon of essence, about a third of a cup of Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and 2 eggs to help bind. Now the breadcrumbs, this is about a cup of breadcrumbs. I usually add them as I see the mixture needs it, but these are actually gluten-free breadcrumbs, but you can use panko or any other breadcrumbs that you have to use as a binder. So basically this is pretty simple. We just mix everything together. This is the hot sausage. This is the mild sausage. So just throw it into the bowl. And we'll add our onions, the garlic, salt and pepper, basil, the pepper flakes, our essence, Parmesan cheese, and a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. So first I'm going to blend this together and see how our consistency looks. And we get almost like a meatloaf consistency. I'm going to go ahead and add the eggs and blend that in as well. And then we'll start adding some breadcrumbs. And this looks pretty loose, so I'm going to start with about 2/3 of a cup. Let's see how that looks together. I think I'll just go ahead and add the rest. Now, the pork sausage is going to have some grease and juiciness in there, so it's going to help bind this all together anyway. So there we go. We've got our stuffing for our peppers. I'm going to rinse my hands really quick. And then I like to use a pastry bag because I think you can really get a lot of the meat into the pepper by using this. So we stuff it down and actually fold the end of the pastry bag down first. You can get it in there a lot easier, and it's not messy. So we'll fill that up. That should be enough to get a couple peppers done. See if it comes out. And there we go. So basically, take a pepper and squeeze. You can feel the pepper filling up until you get to the end. And then I'm going to be using the slow and sear later, so we'll just go ahead and place those right on the slow and sear grate. Okay, and that's how you fill the pepper, nice and easy. So I'll go ahead and fill the rest of these, and we'll head on out to the grill and get things started. Okay, we've got our Weber set at 325 degrees. I put the slow and sear in here today to get an indirect cook. So I'm going to add some hickory chunks or hickory chips just to give us some nice smoke flavor. Add it over the coals here, spread it out evenly. probably have to add some more in a little while. And then we're going to place the entire rack on the smoker. This is so convenient. And we're going to let those cook for about 45 minutes to an hour at 325. So we'll go ahead and cover this up so they get nice and smoky, and we're going to keep checking on them. We'll be back in about an hour. Okay, it's been about an hour, and I came out and checked these a little while ago, and we were at 170 degrees. As you see, forgot to mention earlier in the video that some meatballs magically appeared on the tray. I had more meat than I had peppers, so we tried to make meatballs out of these as well, and they look like they turned out really well. The peppers got nice and golden brown, and so did the meatballs as well. So we're gonna take these in the house and see how they taste. Well, here we are. We're completed with the peppers and our surprise meatballs. Everything looks really nice. They got a nice smoky hickory smell to them. So we're going to dig in and see how they taste. Take this one here. We're going to try meatball too. Let's see how they look over there. See, everything's nice and juicy in there. Get a nice taste of the pepper. It's a little spicy because it's banana pepper, but you get the nice savoriness of the sausage and all the mixture of the meat, the spices that we put in there. The meatballs, let's see how they look on the inside. Absolutely perfect. Nice and juicy, and all the ingredients in there, nice and mixed in. So I think we had a successful cook today. Hope you guys enjoy this and give it a try.